Here's the important bit, health and safety. We're all guitar players, or at least I am, and I know most of you are. Count your fingers before and after using any power tool. And I'm not joking. We're all guitar players. These things are really important for playing guitar, and the bandsaw could change that. So, heaven forbid, touch wood, if anything ever happened in here and somebody lost a digit, then that would be it. I'm not running any more courses after that. So I don't want you to be the person who ruins it for everybody. Alright? So no chopping your fingers off. Count your fingers before and after using any sharp tools. And this is what they do. I'm not going to switch it on. Is they do this. And then as they cut, their fingers get closer and closer to the bandsaw, and they're doing this. Please don't do this, folks. Please don't. Just don't do it. Yeah. So don't play chicken with the bandsaw, is what I say. Don't do that. There's no need. You can put your hands, look, what I do is I put my hand there. I rest my hand on the edge of the table. And there's no way that I can slip. And then when I'm cutting, my piece of wood goes through. So I'm using this as a guide and this other hand to push. So I go all the way through until I can't anymore. Then I'll reach through and pull it. So you can pull it. Obviously I'll tie my hair back so my hair doesn't go down the hole. There's no need to put my hands anywhere near the blade. So the number one rule of the bandsaw is don't play chicken with the bandsaw.